Hey friends, and welcome in my new video. Today I'll be talking about a breathing technique or pranayama called Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati, or skull shining breath, is a cleansing breathing technique that cleans out your lungs and your body of any stagnant air. It's very energizing, very warmth creating. So it's good to do at the beginning of your yoga practice as a warm up. It activates the core. It works with abdominals a lot. So it's a beautiful exercise to create heat in your body, cleanse your body, and wake up your body. As to precautions, you shouldn't practice this, as far as I know, if you're pregnant, because you need to use your abdominal muscles and you really don't want to be stressing this area if you're pregnant. So don't do it if you're pregnant. I also don't like to do it when I'm having my period, because it's difficult to access the lower belly abdominals, and yeah, so otherwise you're good to go. At the beginning, you will be focusing on doing about 20 to 30 rounds of sharp exhalations through your nose. So your mouth stays closed, you're exhaling through your nose sharply, and you're focusing only on the exhalation. So the inhalation will happen by itself. And you create this forceful exhalation by sharply contracting your abdominals, sucking your belly in, and that will create the exhale. Just to demonstrate and show you what we want and what we are not looking for. So if you look at my belly, I will be exhaling sharply. Good to clean your nose before doing this. So I was exhaling sharply, focusing only on the exhalation. It's not hyperventilating, so you shouldn't be doing this, etc. We don't want that. We want only the exhalations. So yeah, let's try together maybe. Find a comfortable seated position. In Kapalabhati, I like to sit on my heels. So you can sit on your heels, or if you need to sit up on a block, find yourself a block or a thick book or a bolster and sit on that. Your hands will be there. Again, different traditions on how to position your hands. Some say next to your body, some say behind. Keep your hands on your thighs, I would say, at the beginning. You want to have your spine upright, sitting bones pressing straight down, spine elevating, lifting up, collarbones nice and broad. Your face is relaxed during this exercise, and you can either do it with your eyes closed or you're looking on the floor in front of you. And we begin by taking a deep inhale through both nostrils. Deep exhale out through your nose. Deep breath in. Exhale out. Halfway inhale. And start. So these were 30 rounds of Kapalabhati in a, I would say, medium pace. Yeah, at the beginning it's good to do between 20 and 30 rounds. With time, you can work your way up to 100 breaths. Then there are also some advanced variations where you apply breath retention or kumbhaka into your practice. I'm not going to talk about it today. But yeah, if this seems interesting and you would like to apply it into your yoga practice, I would be happy. So starting with 20 to 30 rounds, medium pace. You can also, if you're doing like 3 rounds of 20, you can try to speed up a little. So sometimes I don't breathe only in this rhythm. And you can go a little faster. Yeah. So yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, ask down below. If you have anything you want to share with the rest of the participants and yogis following this video and me, then share it please, and I would love to read about your experience. Otherwise, I'm just wishing you a beautiful rest of the day and see you soon. Namaste. Thank you.